Hi, welcome to Mind Data. My name is Vijay Venkat, and today we are talking about communication. Let us divide communication into primarily into two parts: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So, what consists of verbal communication? Verbal communication is what we are talking verbally, what the language is, the words, the sentences, what we pronounce is verbal communication, while non-verbal communication is more about expressions and gestures of your hand and legs or your body. So primarily we have two types of communication: verbal and non-verbal. But let us understand what communication is. Communication is a psychology which you are trying to express a feeling or an important idea you have in a verbal or in non-verbal ways. So let us understand the three basic differences between the verbal and the non-verbal things. In verbal communication, the physical presence of a man or a woman is not necessary, because you can talk over the phone and still communicate verbally. But in non-verbal communication, because it is more about gestures, so the physical presence of two people is required for communicating non-verbally. And the second important point, the difference between verbal and non-verbal is, in verbal communication you can be more precise, you can express your feelings more precisely, and also you can express in a longer way, more clearly in verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, since it is more of gestures and your expressions, maybe there is a chance of people getting wrong information, or maybe they're not able to judge your communication properly. So in non-verbal communication, the chances of you getting misunderstood are high, but in verbal communication it is very clear and concise, because you are talking clearly and expressing what you want to express. The third important point in difference between verbal and non-verbal communication is, officially verbal communication is more accepted globally than non-verbal communication. So officially speaking, verbal communication is more is given more importance in official meetings than in non-verbal communications. But here we should remember that non-verbal communication sometimes goes along with verbal communication. Even if you are talking verbally, but your facial expressions and your gestures will give more cues about what you're trying to tell. So non-verbal communication and verbal communication together makes you a better communicator, and you can express your feelings better when you are having both verbal and non-verbal communications going together. We have more tips like this on communication, verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Please log into our website www.minddata.com or any of our social media sites like Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much, guys.